Ready, start. The contesting respondents had alleged filed a revision challenging the impleadment order which remained pending and was ultimately dismissed, directing the parties to appear before the settlement officer consolidation full stop. A transfer application was also moved by the petitioners before the consolidation commissioner and the appeal was ultimately decided on 30/8, 2010, setting aside the order of the consolidation officer and remanding the matter back to him for decision afresh full stop. It is this order which was assailed by way of two revisions and the same have been dismissed by the order dated 31st 2011 impugned herein full stop para. Sri Rajneesh Roy, learned counsel for the petitioners, vehemently submitted that there was no ground for the settlement officer consolidation to have condemned the delay in filing of the appeal in as much as the notification under section 52 of the act had taken place on 23rd March 1991 and there was no occasion for entertaining the appeal in relation to such an objection after such a long time full stop. He further contends that the alleged compromise was a valid compromise and it had also been signed by the respondent number 5 full stop. In such a situation this aspect has completely escaped, which was essential as the respondent number 5 had full knowledge of the proceedings as well as the sale deeds in favor of the petitioners, but no steps were taken for seeking any declaration in relation to the sale deeds of the petitioners before the appropriate forum full stop. He further contends that the name of the petitioners had already been entered into revenue records under the orders of the Tehsildar, which have not been challenged, and therefore the petitioners have acquired a legal right over the land in dispute, which cannot now be reopened by the consolidation officer on the basis of the remand order full stop. He therefore submits that the orders of the deputy director of consolidation as well as the settlement officer consolidation deserve to be set aside full stop. Sri Rajneesh Roy further contends that the revision has been dismissed, treating the order of the settlement officer consolidation to be not final between the parties as an interlocutory order, which is also an erroneous approach in law, and so far as the aforesaid observation of the deputy director of consolidation is concerned, the order of the settlement officer consolidation is not an interlocutory order full stop para. It is evident that there was no substantial delay on the part of the contesting respondents in as much as the order which was sought to be set aside in appeal was dated 19/8/1997 full stop. In such a situation, the settlement officer consolidation was perfectly justified in condemning the delay and entertaining the appeal full stop. On the merits of the claim, it is evident that a compromise was being made, the basis for the order dated 19/8/1997 full stop. The respondent number 3 admittedly was not a party to the said compromise, even if his natural father has signed the same full stop. The respondent number 3 was not claiming his rights through his natural father, but on account of his share being the alleged adopted son full stop.